we have to configure route to interface E1 oblique 1 through router 1 and can say E1 oblique 1 to E1 oblique 0 to router 2 using, let me show you it in this way, this is screen. So we need to have a connection to this interface through this route and connection to this interface through this route, or you can say this router, and these routers are used. So what you need to do is we have to configure our R1 and R2 in a way. So when we want to configure our R1, so we will write configure terminal, and we are configuring for router 3 second interface. Then we will write IP address, IP, sorry, route, where we want to reach is 20.0.0.2, and how we want to reach there is we want to reach there. Sorry, I forgot to mention the subnet mask, and then we need to tell the nodes through which we are going to reach there. So it will be 0.0.2. So I think, yeah, we have to mention here subnet mask, not the address. Sorry for that. Okay, so now we configure this. So if we will ping your 30.20.0.0.2, we will be having the success rate equals to 100%. In a similar way, if I want to reach this interface router R from router R1, this interface, then I have to configure a static route for this. So what I will do is I'll go to router R2 and I will write configure terminal, and then I will give it a static route where we want to reach. We want to reach 20.0.0.0. This subnet we want to reach. Subnet mask is this, through which interface we will reach 10.0.0.0.2. So we need to IP route. We are on. Sorry, yes, I need to reach second interface. We have given the address of R2 itself. So I want to reach sorry, I need to reach 30, means I have to reach the subnet address starting with 30 and through router R1. So it will be this, and if I ping my 30.0.0.1, I will be able to reach it. So basically what we have done is we have done that if I want to reach from here to here, then I will use this path and this interface will be used. So we have provided the subnet ID of the address of the interface we need to reach. So we provided 20.20.0 when we are on R1, and we provided its subnet mask. Plus we have provided the interface, means that's IP address of this one means 30.0.0.2 when we are on R1. When we are on R2 and we want to reach this interface, we have provided the subnet mask, or sorry, subnet ID and subnet mask of the address where we want to reach. So we want to reach here on this interface. So we have provided 30.0.0.0, 255.255.255.0, and the IP address of the interface which will help us to reach from here to here, and that will be 10.0.0.1. In a similar way, you can do it for router R3. Suppose you want to reach from router R3 to this interface, so you have to use the same IP route thing for it. So IP route for it will be 10.0.0.0, 255.255.255.0, and which interface you are going to use? This one. And what is this interface? Address is 20.0.0.1. So in a similar way, if you want to reach this one, you will provide the IP address of, so you will provide the IP address of the net where you want to reach 10.0.0.0, and then its subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and the interface which we are going to use to reach here will be this one. So the IP address of this interface is 30.0.0.1. In this way, you will do this. Thank you.